Welcome back, guys. From now, we start to study the overview of AI, and we will introduce some parts of the AI and what is AI, the present AI, and some plannings and structures of the industries of the countries, and also we will address some problems the AI bring to us, and also we will introduce the AI philosophy. Okay, let's get quick start from the past of AI. We may have heard the name of AI at first times because of the big news. In March 2016, AlphaGo defeated Loginto by 4-1. Loginto is a South Korean random professional Go player. This switched people's opinion on AI and unveiled its overwhelming development. In the year before this year, AlphaGo Zero. AlphaGo Zero is a powerful version of AlphaGo. It won the World Championship Ke by 3-0 in Wuzhen, China. That makes AI technology surprise people again, also boost the development of AI. But the concept of AI was not proposed in recent years. The birth of AI may date back to 60 years ago. In August 1956, McCarthy organized some scientists and mathematicians gathered at Dartmouth College, and they discussed about how to make machines simulate human learning and any other feature of intelligence. The workshop ran about 2 months, and their discussion was very fierce. Finally, they didn't have agreement, but they picked the name artificial intelligence for the field they discussed about. Then the year 1956 marked the birth of AI. After the meeting, many scientists worked hard and do much research in their own fields. Many scientists have the optimistic practicing of AI. After 50 years, on July 13 to 15 and on 2005, the Dartmouth Artificial Intelligence Conference was held again at the college. About 175 participants from all over the world. Some are PhDs and some are doctors. They are invited as the guests. They shared their aspirations with the experts on the future of AI. The 31 AI experts lectures the mornings, the afternoon, and the evening sections of AI at 50. And present for that occasions, there were all the more those who invented the Moore's law and John McCarthy. And John McCarthy is a doctor of mathematics. He is also created the Lisp programming language, and Marvin Minsky. Marvin Minsky is development of robot C. The robot is the world's earliest robot, and it can simulate human activities. Also, Olive Gordon Selfridge, and he is the founder of the pattern recognition, and he also is a developer of the first workable artificial intelligence program. The old scientist is Real Solomonov. He is the event algorithmic probabilities. Solomonov is a very great scientist. In general, the development of AI have 2 problems and have 2 busters, causing computer performance was improved, and the big data era came. Many scientists and engineers do much contributed to AI. Now, AI is developing very rapidly. 3 main theories emerged during AI development: symbolism, connectionism, and extremism. All these have facilitated the development of AI. The symbolism is based on the mathematical logic. The principle of symbolism is a physical symbol system's hypothesis and finite reasonableness principles. Concurrently, symbol is a human cognition unit, and the cognition process is a symbol operation process. People are regarded as a physical symbol system, so are computers. Therefore, computers can be used to simulate human behavior. Knowledge is the form of information and is the basics of intelligence. The critical issues of AI are knowledge representation and knowledge inference. For example, in the picture, we can use Kim, stand for the people, and use R123 to stand for the room, and use the CS buildings to stand for the buildings. And if we type in Kim's R123, and the computer will understand that the people came with the stand in the room. In that way, the computer can make decisions. This is the core idea of symbolism. During that time, there are many symbolism representatives, such as John McCarthy, Alan Newells, and Sigmund Freud. And this symbolism first adopted the terms artificial intelligence in 1956. Later, the heuristics, algorithms, expected system, and knowledge engineering theory and technology made considerable progress in the 1980s. Symbolism has stopped out for a long time and contributed greatly to the development of AI, especially the expert systems. It was critical for applying AI to engineering applications. Symbolism remains to be the mainstream even other AI theories emerged. The connectionism is based on bioinformatics, especially the study of human brain model. The principle of connectionism is neural networks, connection mechanism, and learning algorithm between neural networks. Concurrently, neuron is instead of simple operating process. It also is a basic thinking unit. Human brain differs from computers, and the human brain pattern can be used to replace the computer pattern. By the way, the very popular AI technology deep learning is based on this theory. So let's see some details about the perception and deep learning. The perception can accept information and can transfer the information to the next perception. And for deep learning scratch, we can accept the data and use the formula to calculate the data. And when we get the result will be the input for the next layers. The next layers will be, there are many formulas to calculate the data. So that's the core ideas of the deep learning. The famous connectionism representatives are as follows: Will McClintock, Walter Pitts, and Marvin Minsky. Marvin Minsky is famous for XOR problems. XOR problems prevent deep learning for about 20 years. Of course, he found the big problem of perception. The perception can't solve linear problems, so many scientists do much experience to solve it. That's why CAN, RAN, and other kinds of neural networks were invented. So in other sides, he contributed to the development of deep learning. He's a great scientist. The last theory is actionism. Intelligence depends on perception and action. The perception-action models of intelligence behavior is proposed. Actionism comes from cybernetics. It is supposed that intelligence requires no knowledge, representations, and inference. Artificial intelligence can evolve like human intelligence. Intelligent behavior can be interact with the surrounding environment in the real world. Pavlov, Wilson, Skinner, these three scientists are all actionism representatives. Here we compare the mainstream AI theories from 10 aspects: knowledge representation, black box, feature learning, interpretation, and requiring large samples. For these 5 aspects, symbolism and extremisms are themes. They need the stronger knowledge representation, are not black box, and needs feature learning, and have the stronger interpretabilities, and also don't require the large samples. But for connectionism, it has a weak knowledge representation and is a black box, and it don't need feature learnings, so it has the weak interpretabilities because it is a black box, and it needs very large samples. For these 4 parts, symbolism and connectionism both have the high communicational complexities, and while extremisms have the original computational complexities. And symbolism have the meanings, the combinatorial explosions, and connectionisms may have the overfitting problems. Extremisms can interact with the environment. That is their specials. Now we have knows the development of AI and knows the main AI theories. Okay, till now we know the history of AI, and it will help us to know the development of the history better. And then we have learned the 3 mainstream AI theory: symbolisms, connectionism, extremisms. And in next video, we will start to learn what is AI and the presence of the AI and some applications of AI we will introduce in the next video. Thanks for your watching. Bye.